just come across town and we're going to a place called Mr. Cake, and it's actually owned by a celebrity chef here in Sweden. I'm not exactly sure where he's from in Sweden, but so everyone knows, this cafe is owned by a celebrity chef, Roy Fares, here in Stockholm. A celebrity chef nonetheless, so just think of, you know, your Jamie Juries or whatever celebrity chefs we got back home, and you can see it in the distance. And I'll tell you what, these scooters, it's not for the faint-hearted. They've got a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, and you got to really watch where you're going because there's so much action happening, people working, loading zones. You got ladies pushing their prams, other cyclists just hammering, probably like 60 k's an hour. If a door flies open or whatever, you're pretty screwed. But we're going to go through the entrance just here, and we'll come check it out. You can already see the Easter egg goodies are coming. Well, let's go have a look. It's a shame they don't have any custard tarts, and if they sold Big M's, I reckon they'd have to get a whole shipment in. But welcome to Mr. Cake. Arrived here at Mr. Cake, had a chat to the lovely staff, and they recommended for me, especially once I told them what I like. So the sun bun is basically what I would describe as a donut filled with vanilla custard and then cinnamon dressing on top. So that's right up my alley. And then we've got the iced coffee as well. So that's a good combination. And lovely Lynn has got a cinnamon bun, traditional Swedish. And we're going to try this out, and I'll let you know what I think once I get this unhealthy savoury. Gotta get that custard in. People know me back home know I love the custard tart and Big M blend. Let's see what this does.
Look at all that sugary feed.
Yeah, really nice. Top stuff.